In today's video, I'm going to show you how to archive in Smartsheet using built-in automation, so you can keep your active sheets clean while safely moving completed or inactive rows to an archive sheet automatically. This is perfect if you manage ongoing projects, task lists, or workflows in Smartsheet and don't want old data cluttering your main view. We'll go step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have a working archive automation set up. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Smartsheet and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to smartsheet.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, open the sheet you want to archive rows from. This is usually your main working sheet, where tasks are actively being updated. Make sure this sheet already has a column that indicates status, like complete, done, or archived, because we'll use that as the trigger for the automation. Next, look at the top menu and click on Automation. This opens Smartsheet's Workflow Builder, which allows you to create rules that automatically move or update rows based on conditions. In the Automation panel, click on Create from Template. Using a template is the fastest and safest way to build this kind of workflow, especially if you're new to Smartsheet automations. From the list of templates, select Move a row to another sheet when specified criteria are met. This template is ideal for archiving because it automatically relocates rows instead of deleting them. Click on Use Template to load it into the workflow editor. Now we'll customize the workflow. Under the Trigger section, make sure When rows are added or changed is selected. This ensures the automation runs whenever something changes in a row, like a status update. Next, click on Trigger and then add a condition to filter rows. This is where you define what counts as ready for archiving. For example, choose your status column, set the condition to equals, and then select complete or archived, depending on how your sheet is set up. This tells Smartsheet to only move rows that meet this condition. Once the condition is set, move down to the Actions section. Click on Select a sheet and choose the sheet where you want archived rows to be stored. If you don't already have an archive sheet, it's a good idea to create one ahead of time with the same column structure as your main sheet. This helps ensure the rows move over cleanly without errors. After selecting the destination sheet, review the entire workflow to make sure everything looks correct. Check the trigger, the condition, and the destination sheet carefully. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your automation is now active. From this point on, whenever a row meets your archive condition, Smartsheet will automatically move it to the archive sheet without any manual effort. This keeps your main sheet organized and focused only on active work. And that's how you archive in Smartsheet using automation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Smartsheet tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.